What's going on, everyone? Joe back with Gorilla Joe's Barbecue, and today I have something really cool. A company reached out to me and they wanted to hook me up with a few products to try out on the channel. So over the next couple months, you're gonna see quite a few cooking videos using these products. So what did we get? We're gonna be unboxing them all today and looking at the features. First off, we have the Thermopro Temp Spike Pro. This one, massive box, biggest one of course. Second up, we have the Thermopro Lightning. And then we have the Temp Spike Plus. So let's get these unboxed. We'll see what we have in each of them, go over some features, and then I want you to leave a comment below on what you want to see cooked using these. So I have some plans to cook on the Z-Grills pellet smoker, the Weber kettle, the Weber Smoky Mountain, my offset smoker I made, the Monument grills. We're gonna be doing everything we can to try these out over the next couple months and see how they perform. So leave me a comment to tell me what you want to see cooked, so I've cooked everything, you've seen it all, so we need some ideas and maybe a different kind of cook or a different protein on a different cooker that I haven't done yet. So leave your comments, let me know what you want me to cook, and let's get into these unboxings. First up, we have the Temp Spike Pro. Let's check this one out here. Links will be in the description for you guys to pick up any of these products. I'm sure you've seen them before. Thank you so much, Thermopro, for sending these out. Now let's take a look. We have our manual. Ooh, what beautiful packaging. This is the big boy. We got 4 probes ready to go. I like the size of them. I like that they're color coordinated. And then you have your monitor here. Goes down like that. Boom, it's already turning on. This thing already has a charge. And then it comes with a USB-C charging cable. Beautiful packaging, I love that. Super nice. Put that back away. Oh, very cool. Check this out. Whew, it comes apart. What? Look at that. What a cool design. You can take them apart, put them back on for charging. All in their cases, all the lights coming on for charging. So we have up here is the booster. This will connect to your Wi-Fi. Once you get the app downloaded, you will connect to the Wi-Fi so you can check your temperatures anywhere. You can set this up, head to the gym, and you can be checking your temperatures of your cooks on the app with this connected to your Wi-Fi. You have 4 probes. This is expandable. You can see there is still another notch if you wanted to get more probes. If you have a bunch of cooks going on, you can throw in more. These probes have a temperature range of 14 degrees up to 212 degrees internal. And then it also does an ambient temperature of up to 572 degrees. Very nice. You can get those up really hot. The probe to the booster has a range of 460 feet. Now, when you close down your grill and it's fully inserted into the meal, it's gonna reduce that range. So you wanna have this booster as close to the probes as you can. My smoker's right outside our window, so I put this right next to the window and it'll connect easily. It does have a Bluetooth connection feet of 600 and the Wi-Fi range is, of course, unlimited. The probes will last up to 36 hours after fully charged and the booster will last 20 hours. And they do come with a 10-year warranty. And I can't wait to get the app downloaded and see how that all works. So there's our first up, the Temp Spike Pro. Now let's look at the Lightning Pro. There's the 10-year warranty. Lightning by Thermopro. Great packaging as well. There it is, looking awesome. Very nice feature. It comes with its own tiny screwdriver for the tiny screws and a battery. So get that popped out. How many times have you bought something only to realize you don't have any batteries at home to use the item you just bought, or a tiny screwdriver to get that out? Very nice. Let's put that back together. On the back of the case, we have recommended cooking temperatures. That is looking awesome. Let's pull that open, instantly on. So I have made up some ice water mixture because we're gonna put that probe in just to test it. These do come, they say they come calibrated from the factory, but I just wanna make sure we're reading correctly. In ice water, you should be getting a reading between 28 and 36 degrees. So you wanna let your water cool down for about 10 minutes and then insert your thermometer and it should read between that temperature. This does have a magnetic back on it to connect to, so you can set it on your refrigerator, your grill, wherever you wanna put it. This is waterproof, so if you did leave it outside after a cook, it will be fine if it gets rained on. So 36 degrees, 35. That's right around the range you want it in ice water. So it is looking good. It also has this feature, if you wanna probe your meat and then hit the lock, you can pull it out and that temperature will stay so you can see what your reading was. Very cool. Love an instant read thermometer. It's something everybody needs when they're cooking. Now we'll go on to the last one, the Temp Spike Plus. There we are. Excellent packaging. Another USB-C charger. Here we are with the third and final, the Temp Spike Plus. This one has a cool case design as well. Pull that lid off and you got your thermometer. Also connects to the app, has a charging port on the side. This one, just like the big Temp Spike Pro, has a range of 14 degrees to up to 212, and the ambient goes up to 572 as well. The probe to the booster is a 460-foot range. Now, like I said, when you close your grill lid down, that probe's in the meat, it's gonna cut that range down, so have your booster as close to the grill as possible. This one does Bluetooth to your device and it has a 600-foot range. The probe is gonna last 40 hours and this booster will stay charged for up to 3 months, guys. You can charge it and forget about it. So next thing is we have to get the app downloaded so we can be using it on these two. And then this one is just your everyday, stick in your steak to see if you're good, stick in your chicken, instant read. So if you have a big cook going on, you have multiple items on the smoker, and you need more than one probe, you got the 4 probes from the Temp Spike Pro. And if you just have one simple thing you're throwing in, the Temp Spike Plus. This would probably be good enough for your average backyard cooker who's only throwing one thing on a time, a single pork butt, a single brisket. But also on briskets, you might want 2 different probes in your flat and in your point to get your 2 separate readings. So Thermopro really has you covered for each area of cooking that you need. And I'm gonna get onto the app and we'll see how that all works and how that looks. All right guys, we got the app set up and downloaded, super easy. You do have to have 2 separate apps. If you got the Temp Spike Pro, it has its own app, and the Temp Spike Plus has its own app, which is not normally an issue since most people would only be buying one anyway, so that shouldn't really affect you much. The app was super easy to get connected. It found it immediately. I will tell you, have your Wi-Fi information ready when you get logged in, because I was going through the process and it started beeping at me, and then when I didn't put my Wi-Fi password in fast enough, it started beeping louder until I got my Wi-Fi. Why are you beeping? It was beeping because my device went offline. So these are the type of alerts you'll get, because I set up a cook and then I put my device in here and turned it off. So then it didn't realize the cook was done and it thought it was still cooking and it lost connection. So those alerts will be great if you're someone that likes to put something on the pellet smoker overnight and you're worried about your pellet smoker falling off temperature-wise, running out of pellets, the fire going out. That's a very loud beep. That will definitely wake you up out of your sleep if your device goes offline, or if your heat drops below the low you want or over the high you set it at. Super handy feature. Just be prepared for the loud beeps when it has a problem, which is good because it will wake you up if you're having an issue. So thank you so much, Thermopro, for setting these out. The links for all of these will be in the description. You can check those out. And I will be doing some cooks, like I said, over the next couple months. Let me know what you want me to cook, how you want me to use these probes. We're gonna be putting them through the ringers and testing them out. So stick around, make sure you're subscribed so you can see all these testing. And thank you so much. We'll see you next time.